Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. If you didn't watch, you will need to watch part 1. It's not really called part 1, but I told in that video that you could do a lot more with this. So let's take this inside one now, and let me have to zoom in here. You've got to get all these little bitty boxes, and this, I find this easier than the virtual segment delete key sometimes. It's not always better, but we need to kind of come to a point. So I'm going to go ahead and do these. And the other blues are just there for reference right now. I'll be able to move them out of the way and kind of group these together. So see, there's these little bitty parts. And maybe I missed that in the blue. And see, we could just keep going, try to get it maybe to a point. Look at that. Well, I missed a little bitty spot right there in red. And it doesn't matter because I'm going to be able to weld it together and it'll become one piece. So there's a pretty good point. Let me get I think I had some blue missing right there. Well, there's a little bit so if you were doing this with the virtual segment delete key, you would have to fill in all those spots or cut all those spots. So let me change it back to blue. Maybe not the best pick of two colors, but whoop, take it to blue. Now, the blue is already welded together. So we could take that and nudge it out of the way 3 times. Now we can delete these. I can swipe through here and delete them quicker. And the unit is all one piece, so I can nudge it back out of the way. And now look, I'm going to do this. Well, I'm going to take the red and weld it. That'll make, sometimes you're going to get that. Little irritating. I got something not perfect. So here's a way to fix that. Because I got some little bitty inner part. Well, okay, that's probably what happened. Let me bring this back. That's why I never delete anything and why I work in the center of the page. I think I got all the red now. Nope. So there's a red right there I missed. I still had the blue color. That's why I pretty much picked prominent colors. And I think I had missed something on the blue. Right? Well, I didn't. Okay. I need the, so what I'm going to do is try welding this again, get that same part. I'm going to show you how to fix that, but I'm going to nudge that out of the way. And then I'm going to nudge this back, and I'm going to be able to get those two parts. You don't need the crop tool. And if you remember, those were not, change it to blue. Those were not in our original. And because, once again, because the fact that it's all one piece, we can weld that together. You know why that welded and the other one didn't? So here's how you fix this. Let's try it one more time. See, I'm getting that. So here's how you could fix that. Take a rectangle, fill it in with a different color than blue, and then nudge that over, fill that in with blue, turn it red, and it's all one piece. You don't have to weld it now. And because we're nudging, we can put it right back. Whoop, went too far. Now we can move this up. I don't know when Corel started doing that, but it bugs me. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate, alternate C to rotate it 45 degrees. And look at the difference. I think it would have been better if I would have done yellow. Now we do have some separation lines, but because those are 2 reds, we could, well, you could actually select all the red, or we're going to do this. I'm going to make them red lines, but then I'm going to have red lines on the blue too. But the center line went away. But I got, so let me just do that. the video hadn't been too long. Let's get rid of everything else on the page. And let's ungroup everything. And let's go find and replace. Let's pick a red and let's go edit, find and replace, from selection, find all, and then go Control G to group them. Sometimes you have to check off of it and then move it back. Now let's see if we can find that piece. See, I don't know if you can see that in your monitor. You can actually, so we could do that the same way we fixed the other if we wanted this all one piece. Because those open spots, I'm going to see what my nudge factor is. That thing is, I've gotten really big. So let's make my nudge factor 18. Let's take our Smart Fill tool and nudge that over and then nudge that over. And then take our red. And now that's all one piece for sure. The blue doesn't have that because we didn't connect more than, I wonder why is the red so much more prominent than the blue? Because anyway, it looks good, but that's how to get rid of that line. And there's still many, many things you could do to it. You know, like right now we had the blue all grouped together or the green. So we could do this and put a white line around it, make the line 12 points. Look at that. And then go back to here. Look at the difference. I still got a little bit of blue right there I'm missing. Anyway, little fun project. I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.